We appreciate that there is a huge amount of information on the certification workshop itself, so our advanced courses provide supplementary support for your application of the tools. Our Advanced Interpretation Workshop is ideal for those looking to gain deeper interpretive techniques and refine their knowledge of the 28 scales and 130 subscales. This course will enrich your interpretations and ensure you get the maximum value from each scale. It will allow you to individualise your interpretations per person and in context. The Advanced Feedback Workshop provides you with knowledge of advanced feedback models and an understanding of best practices for delivering Hogan feedback. This one-day course focuses on developing your confidence and applying the feedback skills gained from your certification and is perfect for those who are new to psychometrics. The workshop reviews the different types of Hogan feedback and covers our most frequently asked questions, such as what structure to use for developmental feedback and what to do when a person is resistant to receiving feedback on their profile. Do get in touch if you have any questions, and we hope to see you there.